Hello, my name is Gunjan Tripathi. I am Director Medhaj Technoconcept Private Limited. Uh, Medhaj was founded in 2007, about 11 years back, and we always feel very strongly that Medhaj is a very special company, very divine company, and mainly because it's a true reflection of the value system and the beliefs of its founder, Mr. Sabir Tripathi, and it's a true reflection of not only his value system but also of the key people involved in the day-to-day running, strategic and tactical both of the company. Like if you take example of Samir Tripathi, we'll start with our CMD, Mr. Samir Tripathi. His main core values and philosophy is all around human values and spirituality. And if you look at the way Medhaj is run, the religion, the human values, the spirituality is very central to our philosophy and our belief. If you look at the core value of Director Finance, Alka ma'am, who is also the co-founder of the company, her core value is all around humility, professional compassion, personal compassion, and that is also central to our philosophy. If you look at my background, I am Director Operations. My whole experience, my whole background is more around professional values, process, because I have always strongly believed in people may leave the company, but processes are there to stay. So the more we focus on process, technology, and it will help us in taking the organization to the next level. So if you put it all together, you see the overall personality of Medhaj. The core foundation is the core values of our founder, Mr. Samir Tripathi, which is spirituality, human values, and also supplemented by our strong belief in process, technology, humility, professional growth of our people. So that is about who we are at a foundation level. What we do, we are a pure consulting company in infrastructure sector. Most of our work is in power sector, where we are now seen as the leaders, be it breadth and depth of the services we offer and the order in hand. If you look at the financial parameter, if you look at the operational excellence, by all means we enjoy the leadership status in the sector, in the domain we are handling, which is mainly around power sector at this point. And we deal mainly with government clients, and our most of the work is around a flagship scheme of Government of India, like Saubhagya, the most recent one being I think our Prime Minister's dream project Saubhagya, which is around taking electricity, bringing electricity to the last habitation, everyone who is left out with electricity, and taking electricity to their homes. And erstwhile schemes, Deen Dayal Upadhyay Gram Jyoti Yojana, Integrated Power Development Scheme, RAP-DRP, you name the schemes of the power sector, and we are there across India. We are present now in mainly in 24 states and 4 union territories across all the work which we do, and most of the work is around Government of India schemes on electrification, and also we have been expanding in other sectors like roads, and we are empaneled with the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways, and we are trying to do some good work there also. And over a period of time, we realized that our expertise is more around project management and bringing excellence to various project management activities which government undertakes, spends a lot of money. So our expansion is also on those lines in the newer sector, newer schemes, newer initiatives of Government of India, because we have actually tried to align ourselves with government's thinking and try to help them in the growth engine, because government is the major spend. I think most of the spending in terms of investment is happening by the government only in various infrastructure sector, and so we are also aligned to that thinking and taking it further, and that is where our expansion is also happening. If you look at the pride points of Medhaj, I would say our values and the various energies which we leverage, the various energies which we bring on the table, and various like energy of youth, energy of women power. Over a period of time in these 11 years, we have literally become the choice for most of the women engineers in the sector, because we have created an environment which is very safe, which is very cohesive for our women employees, and that is how large part of our employee base comes from the women segment. and we take a lot of pride in that. Secondly, there is a lot of talent in our rural and deprived people with a deprived background, because not so privileged section, and we take a lot of pride in saying that we give a lot of opportunities to people with the rural background, and also to Divyangs, and we do hire as many as possible with those background of people, so that we grow, and along with the growth of the various sections of the people in the society. And we have about 2,000 people across 24 states and 4 union territories, which makes us really proud that we are going across India, and fewer states or union territories which are left, we intend to touch them also in the days to come. And we take a lot of pride in the client base which we have created, because without no organization really can exist without the support of the clients. And we are very happy that we have a strong base of our satisfied, happy clients. And you name the utility in power sector or roads, and they are in the client list. Some of them being World Bank and United Nations Development Program, UNDP, and Asian Development Bank, utilities, and where a lot of good work, great work, magnitude and quality wise has happened, and Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Uttarakhand, Rajasthan, Ajmer, Jodhpur DISCOMs, to name a few. And so these are some of the clients where a large part of our teams are working. If you ask my favorite clients, every client is my favorite client, but we really thoroughly enjoyed our association with World Bank, and we got to work with some of the best bureaucrats, best leaders of the sector. Bihar has seen we have 500 plus people in Bihar under the great leadership of Mr. Pratyay Amrit, who has done remarkable, iconic work in electrification. We have learned a lot under his leadership. We have learned a lot in Uttar Pradesh. We have under leadership of various people out there, and we feel very privileged to be associated with these schemes, Saubhagya, which gives so much of employment to our engineers across the spectrum of the society. So these was about some of the clients. If you look at the areas where we are specializing, so obviously we, as I mentioned, that we are catering to Government of India clients in government schemes. So right from the preparation of feasibility reports, DPRs, detailed project reports, which help these utilities in getting the funding from the government or other funding agencies. We are also so once the fund is approved based on the DPRs which we prepare for the utilities, we engage ourselves into the supervision and monitoring of the projects also for the work which are being executed by turnkey contractors, and which ensures that these projects are completed in time and also with the due quality. And we become eyes and ears of the utility which engage us on these projects. And we are also present in we also do for a lot of regulatory work for regulatory agencies of various states for power sector. And because Government of India has I think there is a Electricity Act which everyone has to follow, and so our engineers help those regulatory agencies also in conducting various activities. And so these are this constitute the volume of the work which we do, a large volume of the work. And apart from that, we take a lot of privilege in being associated with the top-notch quality like Smart Grid, SCADA, and so we do provide a lot of consulting in these areas also. And we take a lot of pride in the fact that we are one of the very few companies, private sector companies, which have running orders in these areas. And I think so on the work side, we take a lot of pride in these work, and this is we are growing. And more than the work which we do, I think what we are known more for, and we want to be known more for, those things are how we work, the usage of technology, the value system which we implement in our company, the integrity of our people. We have vigilance team in place to trying to find out the malpractices if any of our employees involved in, and taking appropriate actions. so that clients feel very secure. We are a consulting organization, and at this central to any consulting organization will not be only what are you working on, how are you working on also. And so we need to have strong controls, we need to have strong processes, which has been the focus for us in the last 1 year, last few years actually. And now we feel that we have come to a point that where our clients feel very safe with us, because they know that we have strong control, we have strong risk management processes in place which identify the exceptions very fast, and corrective actions are also taken at an appropriate speed. So I think that's in brief about Medhaj, what we do, how we do. And Medhaj is all about its people and its motivation. We have a strong culture of reward and recognition, and our processes are not only around our delivery to the clients, but also around the motivation for employees. We have a quarterly reward and recognition program where we identify our high performing engineers, and they are rewarded. And so I think any organization for its long term success need to have right culture of right reward, right recognition, right motivation, and right career progression path. And so we have and that's not a one time thing, it's a continuous journey. So we have all the best practices implemented in Medhaj around most of these things, but I'm not satisfied. I think as management we should never be satisfied with what you have achieved. Because that dissatisfaction only drives you to take your next organization to the next level, and that is what keeps us going. And we are on job to make this organization world class. And lastly, I think I just want to make a very strong point here, that our Prime Minister Honorable Mr. Modi ji had given a target to corporates on the GST launch that we have big fours, biggest four consulting and audit companies, and he gave a target that by 2022 we should have big 8, and the rest 4 companies should be Indian companies, because none of the existing big fours have any of the Indian companies in that list. Subsequently, we 2000 Medhajites, when we celebrated our annual day, we pledged that we will try to work towards the dream of an Indian company to be in those big 8. The only difference being the typical big 4 or us being in that big 8, or our efforts to become the big 8 would be that we don't want to hire from best of the institute, best of the colleges of the world. Rather, we will continue to hire from very standard, very normal, the people with very normal background, normal college, and make them extraordinary with our processes, because we have a very strong management team with best of experience, best of skills, and their job will be to give an extraordinary experience to our coming employees to every employee who comes at Medhaj, so that they become extraordinary and they get a huge satisfaction in their career as their career progress with Medhaj. Thank you.